Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our toaster series today, we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Cuisinart Compact 2-slice toaster. Now, let's take a look at the packaging. It's got quite a lot of more information than the average toaster oven. Okay, you can see right here, space saving, precise control, auto adjustment slots. So this is something that is quite interesting. We're going to see about that later. Simple operations, yes. Okay, so I can see here, removable crumb tray, cord wrap, high-lit carriage, 7 settings, all the things we want. Now let's open it up and inspect it further. Okay, first thing I see, a very simple, basic instruction manual, warranty, activations, okay, a cardboard pad, high quality, and here is our entire toaster. I'm gonna put a box to one side. Okay, I'm gonna remove the plastic cover from our toaster. Okay, I'm gonna remove the wrap for the cord as well. As you can see, there's a lock for the cord. Now let's inspect its design. A plastic exterior, very nice sheen, leather. It's very sturdy. The knob is a bit loose, but the numbers are very clear. We have a cancel button, a reheat button, a defrost button, and a bagel button. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. We have the cord storage, 4 stands, very nice, exactly what we want. And the slots, very wide, adjustable, great. Now let's plug it in and try toasting some bread. Oh, and we also have the slider crumb tray right here. Plug it in. I have here 2 pieces of plain white bread. Insert them. So we have 7 settings, so I'm going to choose number 4 as a medium. Crank it, and let's wait and see. We have our timer here. Okay, so since this is the first time we're starting up this toaster, I'm noticing some plastic smell, but it should be common and should go away very quickly within a few minutes. Of course, if you buy this toaster for the first time, I recommend letting it run for like maybe 1 or 2 cycles, maybe 3, until the smell is completely gone before you actually put in any bread. Okay, so the smell is gone. While we're waiting, let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? I don't think there's much to see, but let's do so anyway. Okay, we have English and Spanish. How to use. Safeguards. Yeah, all the basic stuff, nothing much. Okay, I'm getting the smell of toasted bread. Very nice.
A few minutes later.
Okay, it's done. Around 2 minutes. Seems about right. Okay, let's take a look at the bread. Okay, so one side, the two sides closest to the middle of the toaster is a little bit burnt for my liking. But of course, this is dependent on the type of bread as well. So you need to go through some trial and errors. But I think the color is fine. Let's take a listen. Okay. Got some nice crisp to it. Still very moist. Not completely falling apart. So maybe it got the colors a little bit too quickly to get the crisp. Let's try a piece. Yeah, it could be crispier. So I think the heating element was a little bit too hot. But that's all we can say for now. Maybe once we try different types of bread and different settings in our in-depth review video in the near future, we will, maybe review some saving grace for this one. Right now, I do like the design. Very nice sheen, nice black color. Fits on every kitchen counter. Control. It's easy. Very intuitive. I do feel like everything could be a little bit more firm. But that should be okay. Okay. So, if you're interested in seeing the full review video, please subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!